Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another empty video for you guys. So I actually have quite a few things, as you can see. Alright, so let's just get started. So the first thing that I have here, this is from Philosophy. This is their Purity Made Simple, and I absolutely love using this. I pretty much go through about like 1.5 bottle every single year. I really like using this, especially in the summertime, with my clear sonic brush. So I highly recommend, if any of you guys who have not tried this cleanser, make sure you go in store, try it, or like pick this up. This is definitely a cleanser you will like. Alright, next we have, this is from Love Beauty and Planet. This is their Muir Butter and Rose Delicious Body Lotion, and I love this. This is actually my second bottle. This lotion smells like roses, and it's just like applies onto your skin really smooth, very well. It just sinks in so well, and it actually locks in the moisture very well too. You can actually find this at Target. So if any of you guys who have not tried this, I highly recommend give this a try. Alright, next we have two products from the brand First Aid Beauty. So first we have, this is their facial cleanser. So if any of you guys who have like dry skin or like combination skin, this is actually a really great line for you guys, because this cleanser is very velvety, very foamy, feels so nice on the skin, and your skin feels really like hydrated, very like moisturized after using it. So next we have, this is their Ultra Pear Hydrating Serum. So I actually have tried and used this in the past, and I remember in the past I feel like this serum didn't really work for me, but now I guess because with age, and also because with the weather that is going on right now, like my skin definitely is in love with the serum. It just applies on really smooth, very nice. But the one thing that I don't like about this is that you actually have to wait until it fully dries before you can apply on your other skincare routines. So that's just that one little thing that bugs me, but aside from that, this is a really great serum. Alright, next we have some hand creams. So we have 3 hand creams, and you guys probably wouldn't even believe this, but these 3 hand creams are actually from Trader Joe. Yes, I know, right? I actually bought this like a while back, and I finally started using it, and then I finally used it all. So we have this one is in olive oil, and then we have, this is in Kauai nut oil, and then we have argan oil. These 3 hand creams, what I noticed is that it's very oily, very thick, and it does take some time to absorb into your skin. So if any of you guys who are not a huge fan of like having like oily like palms, I would highly suggest you only apply it to like the back of your hand. Just do not apply it to your palms, because whatever you're gonna touch, like the oil is going to transfer onto the product. But aside from that, it's actually very nourishing, very hydrating for the hands. But I definitely will not be purchasing this anymore, because I don't like the oily feeling on my palms. Alright, next we have another hand cream. This is actually from the Bath and Body line. So this is in Sparkling Limoncello. I think that's how you pronounce it. So it definitely smells like lemon, which I definitely am a huge fan of lemon, and it definitely actually absorbs into the skin really well. I like it a lot, but the one thing that also really bugs me about this is that when you apply it to your palms, I don't know what it is, but for some reason it just takes some time to sink in, and after it sinks in, like there's like this like very like thin layer of like oil. So that's just something that really bugs me in hand creams. I definitely do not like at all. But aside from that, if you do use it on like the back of your hands, it's very moisturizing, very hydrating. And also considering the price of this, this was actually only $4, and I feel like it is such a steal, because sometimes I know Bath and Body's, they do have a promotion where if you spend like $30 you get $10 off, or if they do like 20% off your whole entire purchase. So I feel like this is like a really great hand cream. Okay, another hand cream that I have here, this is from Beyond. So I'm not sure if any of you guys really heard of this brand, but this is like a Korean brand. And for this hand cream, this is their classic hand cream, lifting and moisturizing, and this is actually a really good hand cream. First of all, because it actually absorbs into your hands really well. So if you do apply it onto your palms and if you do rub it in, it does actually sink in, and it doesn't make your palms feel oily or greasy or anything like that. But considering the scent of this, I don't know what it is, but I'm not a huge fan of the scent. The scent it's just something that I just don't really enjoy. But aside from that, for like the moisturizing, hydrating part, this definitely works really well. Alright, next we have, this is a lip balm from Jack Black. This is their mango and mandarin of SPF 25, and I am absolutely a huge fan of Jack Black lip balms. Ever since I've tried and used their lip balms, I cannot stop using them. I have tried other lip balms, and for some reason I still keep coming back to this one. So if any of you guys who have not tried this lip balm, I highly recommend you go to like Sephora, go to Nordstrom, or I think they also have this at Ulta too. So just go in, try it, and this is definitely a life-changing lip balm. And I know this is a men's skincare line, but trust me, it works really well, especially for you guys who always wear lipsticks or who always like wear something on your lips. I highly recommend this lip balm. Alright, next we have, this is from Physician Formula. This is their Argan Oil, and I use this especially for my hair. So after I like shampoo, conditioner, and when I go to like blow dry my hair, I actually really like to apply this especially to like the ends or like the tips of my roots, because it is really dry down here because it does like absorb a lot of stuff. So I really like how it comes with this dropper, so you actually can control how much you use. For me, since my hair is more on the thicker side, I use about sometimes maybe like 4 to 5 drops. I usually just put it onto my palms. I just rub it a little bit together, and then I just like start from my ears and just go all the way down to however long my hair is, and then my hair just looks really nice, very smooth and silky the next morning. Alright, next we have, this is from Pixi. This is their Skin Treat in Rose Tonic. I absolutely love their whole entire tonic line. So the first tonic I ever used was their Glow Tonic, and that's actually really great for like removing like dead skin cells. And sometimes, especially during the season, my skin can't really take that much. So Rose is definitely something that I turn to, especially during like the fall, winter season, and spring season too, because my skin does get a little bit more sensitive. So if any of you guys who have not tried Rose, I highly recommend you, for those of you guys who have like sensitive / combo skin, try this. This is a really good rose tonic. Alright, we have one more item. This is from Laneige or Laneige. I know people pronounce it differently. This is their moisturizing cream water bag, and wow, this is amazing. I really like to use this especially at night for like my nighttime skincare routine. Like when you apply it on, it feels so light, just absorbs into skin really well. The next morning when you wake up, your skin feels so smooth, so velvety, which is something that I definitely did not expect from them. So I definitely will be purchasing a full-size one very soon. So yeah, well, that is pretty much it for all of my empties that I have for you today. So feel free to let me know what empty products you guys have finished, or is there anything that you're close to finish that you feel like I should definitely give it a try. So feel free to leave it down below in the comments, and I definitely will be reading them. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.